How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of pectus excavatum at home. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So pectus excavatum is a congenital deformity of the anterior thoracic wall in which the sternum and the rib cage grow abnormally, you guys. This produces a caved in or a sunken appearance of the chest. It can either be present at birth or not developed until puberty, you guys. So in most cases, pectus excavatum is strictly cosmetic and has no negative impact on your health. So don't get worried. Let's try to make it more cosmetically better now. Believe it or not, the upper back musculature is a major player in the treatment of the pectus excavatum. By working your upper back, your posture will begin to enhance. Most people have rounded shoulders, you guys, so they're like this, or have rounded, or just poor posture in general. So if you have rounded shoulders, you have poor posture, you're naturally going to be curved over. By working your upper back, your scapula, it's going to naturally retract, making your pectus excavatum not as noticeable. So for example, what I mean by this, if you have a hole in your chest and if you're rounded over, that hole is going to look a lot deeper. It's going to look a lot worse. If you retract your scapula, and you can do this right now if you have pectus excavatum, just really try hard to retract your scapula. It's going to make your upper back more, it's going to make it proper. That hole isn't going to look as noticeable. So in order for us to do this, we need certain exercises. Now the exercises, I will show you guys right now, all 5 exercises. The first one's going to be a pull-up. I will show you how to do all of these, you guys. Just come with me real quick. I will move the camera as we go. So the first exercise we're going to do is going to be the pull-up. Now pull-up is very easy to do. All you need is a pull-up bar, you guys. And all we're going to do is we're going to hang from here. And all we're going to do now is do our pull-ups. When performing the pull-up, you guys, it's very important that when you're pulling, you want to make sure that you're really focusing on moving your elbows towards yourself. Picture a good cue is to imagine putting your elbows in your pockets. This is going to allow you to squeeze your lats, and at the same time you will be working your upper back. Another exercise to do is the chin up. You perform the chin up, you guys, with supinated grip like this, and all you're going to do is you're going to do exactly the same thing. So pull up or chin up, I recommend doing one or the other. Don't do both at the same time. Do one for a couple of weeks and then do another for another couple of weeks. Okay, exercise number 2 is going to be the band pull apart, you guys. So the band pull apart will work our upper back, and by doing it, we're squeezing our scapula, you guys. So when performing it, you want to have your scapula, this is neutral, you want to have it retracted. So get into a retracted scapula. Now all we're going to do with the pulley or with the band pull apart is we're going to pull it. Band pull apart. So we're going to get the band and we're going to pull it. This is hands down one of the best exercises to work your upper back. And I always get compliments on my upper back. People are like, wow, your upper back is very developed. It's from doing band pull aparts, you guys. Now I will put a link in the description box if you guys want to purchase the resistance bands. In my opinion, you should have resistance bands. They're more than just doing, they're more for, instead of working your upper back, you can do more things with them. It's not just for your upper back as well. The next thing that we're going to do, you guys, is we're going to do ab wheel rollouts. So again, if you guys don't have ab wheels, I can put them in the description box, you guys, and I get some pretty good deals. I find really good deals for you guys, so if you guys are interested in buying these, I will put in the description box as well. So the ab wheel rollout, you guys, is probably one of the best exercises you can do for your pectus excavatum, because by doing the ab wheel rollout, we have to focus very hard on keeping our upper back contracted, and at the same time this will work your abs. So if you guys want 6-pack abs, it will work too. So all you do is you get the ab wheel rollout, and all you're going to do is you're going to keep going and then you're gonna stop. The key mistake people make when doing the ab wheel rollout is they go too far and they allow their lower back to round. You never want to do this, you guys. You just want to go until you get to a decent spot and then stop and come back. You don't need to go far on this exercise to make it work. Go to however far you can, come back, and over time try to go farther. So again, I will put an ab wheel rollout in the description box if you guys are interested as well. And those are the 3 exercises that I recommend doing. Trust me, do those 3 exercises, you guys will see results. So end the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.